Who do we know at such and such fund to talk to about this specific asset? And then, you know what? It's all about putting deals, being a deal engineer. Some will look to take down ourselves. Some will look to flip. Some will bring on and get a chunk of the deal. Some of those we may be brokering the asset. Some of those maybe flipping the note. Some will be taking down ourselves. But I will tell you this, I am very excited. I feel like today's been a very glorious day. It's been a busy day. We went up and looked at the Williamson County foreclosure auction this morning for a few minutes. There's only 44 properties going to auction in Williamson County, but it was still worth going by and taking a look at it just to see, okay, first Tuesday of the month, let's make an appearance. Next first Tuesday, I'll probably go, well, not this coming Tuesday, but the next first Tuesday of November, I'll probably go by the Travis County, which will be a lot more. I may end up going out to Harris County just for the heck to visit it. Look, everybody, there are so many opportunities, but you got to put the work in. Calling somebody up just to get their list of deals, you're going to be the low man down on the totem pole. Don't call me up, say, hey, I need a list of broker, because I'm not going to do that for you. I'm not going to give you a list to go out and broker when I'm doing all the heavy lifting. It doesn't work that way. Sorry, you're going to be paying me a pretty penny for that.